Hey loves, in today's Amazon eyeshadow palette review video, I will be trying out the Beauty Glazed Rock Metal 16 color eyeshadow palette. I purchased the Beauty Glazed Rock Metal eyeshadow palette from the Best Land store on Amazon for $7.90. This palette has 10 mattes and 6 shimmers. I am highlighting my brow bone with khaki using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Now I am blending Misty directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Coastal Scents Classic Blender Crease brush. Using my Energy M125, I am blending Camel right above Misty. I am using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender to create a nice gradient between Misty and Camel. To highlight my brow bone, I am using the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in Blossom Glow on my Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am placing black on the outer half of my lid using the Energy M111. I am using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader to fill in the remainder of my lid with Marron. I am creating my winged liner with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Now I'm applying a coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes Mascara. I applied the Lovet Luxury 3D Lash in the style L365. Now with the Coastal Scents Classic Small Shadow Brush, I am blending Burgundy onto my lower lash line. I am now using that same brush to apply black to the outer third of my lower lash line. I am lining my waterline with the Nicka black eye pencil. To complete my eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Cashmere using the BH Cosmetics V9 brush. Thank you so much for watching. The Beauty Glazed Rock Metal palette has a beautiful selection of colors to create various looks with. The texture is soft and buttery, very easy to blend, and all of the shadows are immensely pigmented. I love how this makeup look came out. Let me know what you think about it down below in a comment. Also, check the description for a link to this palette along with all of the other products I used to create this look. And until next time, bye loves!